More than 360 teams wanted one of just 45 spots in the 24 Hours of Lemons 20th anniversary race at Laguna.
So here's how we're going to select the final field. From those 360 entrants, we have pre-selected 100 or so finalists based on the car, the theme, the team history. And no, don't ask us who the 100 finalists were. We're not going to tell you. And now we're going to select the final 45 car field using the most trusted method in motorsports, finding your lost 10 mil in a pan of dirty oil.
All right, now this is Lemons, however, so we are gonna maybe cheat a little bit. Nick and I each pick one for ourselves because we can. With that though, we're gonna pull the rest. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
202.
202 is Your Mom's Minivan Racing. And this is a 97 Ford Aerostar that used to be part of Burt Rutan's space travel startup.
All right.
Yeah, that's a worthy thing.
Sounds pretty good, sounds pretty good. Oh, I know, 544, that's Anton.
Oh, yes. 544 is in fact Anton. It is the 1960 Volvo PV Fire 44 on-set tetanus racing.
All right, 664, I don't know who that is.
664 is Nacho Friend Racing.
I love Nacho Friend.
85 Toyota Celica, they bring us nachos.
They bring us nachos. Hey, you know what, that's all you gotta do. Bring us nachos, you'll be in. 785.
785. It is the Race Rambler. This is the car that has traveled the world, being passed off to team, and now it's Stephanie Brunelli is the team captain. Awesome entry.
Great. They're great. Those guys are great. 916.
916, Hulk Smash. This is Renee Lamb, longtime team captain.
No relation.
She has helped the Sierra College kids turn into a Lemons team. So that's a worthy thing to do in the Lemons community.
759.
759, In Search of Edsolescence. I think you know which car this is. It's a 1959 Edsel hat car-ish on a Crown Vic, I believe. Awesome, they won a bunch of awards. It's an Edsel.
It's an Edsel. It's an Edsel. 789.
789. This is an Altamont car. As you know, 20 years ago, Lemons started at Altamont. This is the Porcubimmer, which is now, of course, the Homer. Right.
Yeah.
BMW E30 dressed up as the Homer. Awesome.
So good. 74.
74. Otis. Chotis.
67.
67. It is the Mitsuoka Vute.
Oh, the Vute.
The Vute is in.
Thank God. If the Vute didn't make it, that would have been a travesty.
I agree.
Yeah, okay. We got the Vute. 9.
Number 9, Arc Blast.
Also very good.
This is a 76 Datsun 620 converted into an EV. Excellent vehicle.
Oh, by the way, the $50,000 in Nichols prize to winning overall doesn't count for a one-day race. Sorry, guys. 619?
619. Who we got? It is the Anal Probe.
Oh,
these guys are awesome. It's a Ford Probe with an alien abduction theme and all that entails. Yeah.
And this car was literally buried in a flood of human effluent a couple of years ago.
Doo-doo. Yep.
Yeah. Number 1.
Number 1 is Team Bean Redux, the spank-built 1962 Austin Mini.
Oh, that's so good.
That's excellent.
Happy to hear that. 38?
38, the Kim Jong Elantra. This is another Fine Mess entry. It's a Hyundai Elantra with Kim Jong on the roof. Been running forever. What does it have, a Tiburon swap in it?
So, yeah.
Something, it's stupid.
Yeah.
Congrats.
On the subject of stupid, who is 49?
49, this is extra stupid. This is the 1951 Triumph Mayflower with team captain Corey Dickman. Now this car is not completed yet. Now he has to finish it.
109?
109. This is a blast from the past. This is Knox Vegas Lowballers. 1990 Geo Metro mid-engine swap. It's got a Ford Duratec V6. We haven't seen this car in a while. I think, what does it say here? This car has won Class A, Class B, Class C, and the Index of Effluency. Certainly the first car to do that. Maybe the only car to do that?
I don't know.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Moving on.
188.
188. We've got Tired Iron Racing. This is Mike Mercado.
Oh, yeah.
Long-suffering Miata
Yeah.
racer. At the last race at Thunder Hill, had a sous vide machine under the hood, was cooking a steak during the 25-hour race.
That car, is that not the current more races than any other car?
I have no idea.
It might be. It might be. 7-6.
Oh, here we've got Jeff Hanka, Salty Thunder Racing.
Well deserved.
Many Pontiac Fieros, many themes over the years out of Salt Lake City. Awesome team.
37?
37. We've got another OG. This is James Eichel. He's got a BMW. James discovered Lemons. He was walking down the street in his neighborhood. Some other people were building a Lemons car. He says, what the hell is all this? This is like 2007. And he's been around ever since.
105.
105. Scuderia Limoni. This is Brian Shorey. He's got a couple of Alphas. He's got an Alpha Spider, Alpha Berlina. He used to live on the East Coast, moved to the West Coast, still races Lemons with us. His cars are terrible.
169.
169. Oh yeah, I was hoping this one would make it. This is Malort Racing Development, the 1982 Toyota Corolla. It's entered by Brett Holdaway, longtime friend of Lemons.
Yep.
It is Johan Samanta's old Lemons race car. Rest in peace, Johan. It will be at Laguna Seca.
Fantastic.
Johan will be there in spirit.
Fantastic. 0.
Number 0. We've got the Sopranos, John Ficarra, 1970 Toyota Corona with a 1JZ GTE.
No shit? Or
Next.
should I say, no shit? 510.
510, Chase Race. Team captain Doug Chase bearing the lead because his car is a 1952 Hudson Hornet.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. We got Edsel Hornet.
Oh, man, this is going to be so good.
43.
Number 43. Oh, man. The hits just keep coming. You know, you guys, over the 20 years, have entered some of the dumbest shit we've ever seen in our lives. This is just great. 43 is Faster Farms, the Plymouth Belvedere, another car that goes back. Does it go back to Altamont? If
I
not,
think so. Yeah.
It goes back to really early times in Lemons.
And I believe this car did like a triple endo at the end of Thunder Hill, I think on our first Thunder Hill race ever. And then just kept racing.
And the bowling ball fell out of the trunk. The bowling ball was for the active arrow. All right, who's next?
100.
Number 100. Sorry for Party Racing.
Thank God.
They have entered the 73 El Camino, and I'm sure they're going to bring their usual accoutrement to the race.
Number 2.
Number 2. This is Arc Flash. Now, I do have a request for either Arc Blast or Arc Flash. One of you guys, change your goddamn name. Arc Flash, this, of course, is Quincy Buffington.
Right.
He's got a Saturn. What's special about this Saturn? It's a twin-engine Saturn, and it's got a twin-cam motor in the front, a single-cam motor in the back, so it is a 3-cam, twin-engine, all-wheel drive racing Saturn.
Yeah, fantastic.
That's the deal.
249.
249. We've got Pony Keg, which is a 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass covered in fur with a horse head on the top.
Yeah. Which falls off as they're transporting it.
One of my favorite moments in Lemons of all time was the horse head fell off. The team made one of the wives go pick it up, and she videoed it. Her running out into traffic to get the horse head, saying just, I hate you guys.
541.
541. Oh, man. Crazy Canuck Chris. Fancy Chicken Racing out of Canada.
801.
801, another old timer. This is Larry Sanders, the 88 Toyota MR2. This was the first team to build a twin engine car.
Right.
This MR2 I don't think is twin engine, but I'm sure they'll bring something stupid.
142.
Team Valiant Effort, 1963 Plymouth Valiant. It's got a slant 6. Is a former IOE winner. They've also won a Heroic Fix and an I Got Screwed. Just real salt of the earth Valiant people.
And it's a Valiant.
Yeah.
16.
Number 16.
Ooh, we're getting down to it here.
Crazy Mike, and there's a reason they don't call him Normal Mike. This is a 1960
something.
Who cares?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's a Beetle. It looks like a scrubby thing.
Yeah, it's hammered.
It's real terrible.
Is it a one-day race? He still won't finish.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. 55.
55. Grumpy Cat Racing, 1950 Dodge truck. Originally had a flathead, now has a 318. Do we care? We don't care.
To be fair, the flathead was out of an airport tug.
That's true.
So that was pretty good. 41.
1941. That is Distilled Racing, another old school. This is 1941 Ford sedan. Team Captain Paul has been racing for a couple years. It's got a crazy engine swap and all this stuff, but look at it. It's a 41 Ford. Awesome.
511.
511. Skinny Coyote Racing. This is a Texas-based team, so it's cool to see people coming from out of the way. This is Jerry Ringel.
I know it's coming.
He's been racing Miatas lately, but he signed up with, and we are expecting to get.
Yeah, this is not a transferable acceptance here.
The 2001 Aston Martin, what is it?
It's a DB7.
A DB7.
It's a DB7 shell.
On top of some kind of, I know it's got a Ford V8, some kind of chassis from something else.
Yeah.
It's the worst Aston Martin ever.
Yeah.
And,
which is saying something.
Which is real saying something.
Yeah. 183.
183, we have Hella Shitty Racing, Chris Blizzard. Now, another team that has a lot of cars. They have entered with the 1983 AMC Spirit. That's what we want to see.
Right. No BMW. 963.
963. Another out of California team. This is Borscht AG, formerly known as Sputnik, but known to us as the team run by Sasha. Sasha's a Russian guy, cuts the top off of all of his cars with a Sawzall.
Yep.
He's entered with an MR2 hybrid.
We don't even know what that means.
God knows what that means. We're looking forward to it.
156.
156. TPF Racing. This is the other end of the spectrum from all the weird stuff we've talked about already. This is a 2010 Mercury Milan.
Oh, yeah.
Which is the cousin to the Ford Fusion, I believe.
No. The Tempo. No. What the hell is it? Aren't we supposed to say, tell us in the comments?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments. 2010 Mercury Milan looks like, your grandma's car. It looks like a rental car from 15 years ago. It's beige. It's an automatic. It's a Mercury.
Awesome. 8.
Number 8 is the Tiny Vet. 1969 Opel GT. Mike Meyer, long time. He dressed up this car as a Corvette C5R, or a C6R, which was contemporary to the beginning of Lemons. So the livery is now classic. And it's an Opel.
97.
97. Oh man, I'm excited about this one. This is the Freewheelin' Pikers. Mike Harrell, 2-stroke, 3-cylinder, Saab 96. What year does it say it is? 67. It doesn't matter. Car is incredible.
392.
392 is NFSF Racing. 1951 Chrysler Saratoga out of Florida. They've run a ton of Lemons races, ton of Lemons rallies. They're crazy in a good, mostly way.
All right, I think this is the last one.
Is this the last one? We filled all of our slots. The final selection for the 20th anniversary race at Laguna.
This better be good.
It better be good.
4-0. If it's not, we're throwing it away.
We're just going to cheat.
4-0.
4-0 is Mock Grass Racing, the 98 Kia Sophia, run by Kyle Mock. He's also a non-Californian, has been a nut about Lemons racing. I think his car was at one point, or still is, covered in AstroTurf. An amazing entry to the field.
All right.
Congratulations to everyone who made it, and mostly, seriously, thanks to everyone for signing up. We obviously couldn't keep doing this without all of you guys participating. And what else is on here? Oh yeah, bad decisions, blah, blah, blah. And then it says end graphic. So here you go.